In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete search history on Drive. To start, open your Google account. You can do this by visiting the Google homepage and clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner. This action ensures you are logged into the correct account, which is essential for managing your settings. You'll see a drop-down menu with various options. From here, select Manage Your Google Account. This step is significant because it gives you access to all the settings related to your account, including your search history. Once you are in your Google account, go to Google Workspace Search History. You can find this option under the Data and Personalization tab. This area contains all the information that Google collects about your activities. It's important to know where to find this because it allows you to manage what data Google keeps about your usage. You will see a list of your search activities, which can be overwhelming, but don't worry, you will be able to filter through it shortly. Now make sure that you have signed in. If you see your profile picture in the top right corner, you're good to go. If not, enter your email and password to log in. This step is crucial because only you can manage your search history. Ensuring you are signed in not only protects your information but also makes the deletion process smoother. On the Google Workspace Search History, you will see a comprehensive view of all your search activities. Take a moment to browse through the list. This overview allows you to identify what you want to delete specifically. It's important to recognize what data you want to remove. This helps you maintain privacy and keeps your account clean. Next, click Delete. You will find this option prominently displayed, usually near the top of the page. When you click this, a prompt will appear, guiding you to the next steps of the deletion process. This action is significant because it initiates the process of clearing out your search history, making way for a fresher start without the clutter of past searches. After clicking Delete, you will need to choose from several options: last hour, last day, always, or custom range. Each option serves a different purpose. Selecting last hour or last day allows you to delete more recent searches, while always will delete everything. If you choose custom range, you can specify a time frame for deletion. Make sure to pick the option that best suits your needs, as this choice directly impacts what data is removed from your account. If you select always or custom range, clear all services except Google Drive. This step ensures that while your search history is wiped clean, your Google Drive remains intact. It is important to pay attention to this detail, as it helps avoid losing any vital data stored in your drive. You want to keep those files safe while managing your history. Click Next to proceed. This button will take you to a review screen where you can double-check everything before finalizing your deletion. It's always a good idea to review changes before they are made. This way you can ensure that you are only deleting what you intended to. Now review the items to be deleted. Take a close look at the list presented to you. Confirm that everything you want to remove is selected. This review step is crucial. It helps you avoid accidental deletions and gives you peace of mind that you are making the right choices. Finally, click Delete to complete the process. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your search history has been successfully deleted. This last step is satisfying because it confirms that your search history is no longer stored, giving you a cleaner slate moving forward. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your search history on Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you maintain a more organized and private Google experience.